But chill, nigga, you late. Try and use me as the bait. You skip steps, I nearly nailed it in the first take. I gotta do this for the sake of my mama in that dream house sitting up right beside the lake. I can't never.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy DJ, man. Thanks for tuning into the channel again. It's a bright, hot, and beautiful day, so we gonna try to kind of speed it up, man. I'm already sweating and burning out here. But like I said in the last video, I'm gonna go on and finish putting all the fairings on today. But first I have to flush out all the water that I had in the radiator. So we're gonna drain all that out, and then I'm gonna add the coolant. Yeah, let's get started. All right, first things first, gonna unloosen this screw right here. Let's get all the water out. And I couldn't do this the other day because I low-key was riding the bike and I needed to let it cool off. I'm actually gonna set the camera up so I can use two hands. Open this reservoir or the radiator cap for that pressure. Hopefully it'll come out faster, more come out. Here we go. Yeah, so take off the radiator cap for that airflow, so the finish is all coming out. I don't even think there's really in here, but whatever. Let's take it off. Alright, so I think it's basically all emptied out. I'm actually gonna take the bike off the stands and tilt it so I can get all of it out. Let's see how much more comes out. Alright, let's see how much more we can get out. There we go. I'm not trying to make it, not that it'll probably hurt, but you guys see it? I don't know if you can see it, but more is for sure coming out. Alright, so I'm about to go rinse this out really quick. It's low-key dirty. It's like rusted or whatever. Let's clean this out and then let's put the engine coolant in. Alright guys, so I just put the drain plug back on. It's nice and tight. I got my funnel so we can go on and put the coolant in and we'll get it started. Let it run for a little bit. Leave the cap off, fill up the reservoir, and then let it run some more, and then it should be good, man. Alright, so let's open up the engine ice coolant. Let's go on and put the engine ice coolant in. And then we're supposed to run it rough. Put the battery in. I'm gonna run it with the cap off. Get all the air bubbles and stuff out. Make sure there's no bubbles in the radiator or whatever. And then put the cap on and do it one more time. I honestly gotta check my gas soon. So I'm gonna leave it running until my fan's cut on. And man, my bike definitely needs a wash. But I'm gonna leave it running until my fan's cut on and then top it off one more time with my reservoir and then I should be good. Alright, so I was being reckless and I left my cap off too long. I wasn't paying attention and yeah, I lost some coolant on the ground. So I had to turn my bike off immediately, but I topped off the coolant, put some more in the reservoir. We're gonna start it one more time, let it cool off, and then she's ready for the fairings to be put on and then cleaned up, y'all. Let's get it. Temperature looking good. Ready to put the fairings on. In this 105-degree heat weather, but we're gonna get it done. Alright guys, so I just put the fairings on. Pretty much finished. I probably have about 3 or 4 more pieces to put on. I have the 2 under pieces that go under right there, but I'm gonna need to order some more push pins for those. I'm probably gonna have my mechanic set up my blinkers because I'm missing a few wires. And I'm missing my seat cowl. And oh, the brake part for my Brembo brake line. Because when I put these on for the track, I never actually configured the brake line. I mean the brake light. So when I brake, my lights don't come on. So I have my mechanic or whatever hook that up because like once again I'm missing a few wires. But other than that, I'm pretty much finished, y'all. It's looking pretty good. Yes, sir. Gonna give her a quick wash and take her down the street and get some gas. I wish I had my GoPro, but yeah, pretty much finished. I'm liking that gold on the side a lot. I'm gonna have to clean my chain and stuff, but not bad, not bad. Yeah, man, I'm real excited. Looking real good. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, man, that wraps it up for this video. Like I said, I'm gonna go shoot and get some gas, man. But please like and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.